Hello YouTube, this is Cherokee Coyote Official, back with a video tonight. This time it's going to be about my locomotive roster. Tonight we're going to start with we're going to just go from the blue bonnet down to that unit there. Alright, right here is a Santa Fe, ex-Santa Fe blue bonnet, either blue box, GP60, H1, blue box -9. Stuff all over. I don't remember what it is. Intermountain ES44 DC DCC. I believe there's DCC in this one. Cato Mac H2. BLI YN2 6000 6000. Like I said, I need to figure out how to get this stuff off. I can't remember what it really is. Dummied out either an RTR Jeep60M, dummy out either an RTR, either in blue box SD40 CP with the American split scheme, Walther's Ace BNSF sound, Cato War Bonnet DCC. Oh, that's also DCC as well. Athearn Genesis Mac DCC, just need some side frame work. Dummy Genesis because of too much work to do. Gevo and as Grey Ghost. Athearn Roundhouse. AC 4400 SP patch out DCC. Athearn Genesis Barf Bonnet DC. Nothing's really wrong with it other than missing handrails and neither decoder. Dummied out. Kato Executive. I was just having problems with the motor. I didn't want to deal with it and stuff. Genesis Ace. It's kind of jittery. I'll figure it. Me and Jonah can figure it out later. DCC. DC East to 75M. DC. It's like I said, DC needs hard wiring. Bachmann S40 DCC. DCC and sound Rapido-8, which I highly recommend getting a couple of these. And last but not least, a really beat up way I bought it. That's how I bought it. It was a really beat up unit. Sorry to the really bad weathering on it. Unit, Sony Ace UP Genesis DCC. That's all my engines for now. So, thank you for watching. Hope you all have a good night, a good day wherever you're watching this from. Later.